Hi everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Adda. If you want daily current affairs in a simple, fast, and clear way, you are in the right place. I bring you fresh MCQs and important updates every day. Let's get started. So, coming to first question. The Viksit Bharat Jiram G Bill 2025 seeks to replace which of the following acts? Option B, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Under the Viksit Bharat G framework, the guaranteed wage employment per rural household per year is option D 125 days. The standard cost sharing ratio between center and states under the new framework is option C 60 is to 40. For northeastern and Himalayan states, the cost sharing ratio is 90 is to 10. In Jiram G Bill, administrative expenditure ceiling has been increased from 6% to 9%. Option C. The bill provides an aggregated no work period of how many days during peak agricultural seasons? Option C 60 days. Under the new framework in Jiram G Bill, unemployment allowances becomes payable after option C. The Shanti Bill 2025 stands for the Shanti Bill stands for Sustainable Harnessing and Advancement of Nuclear Energy for Transforming India. What is the primary objective of the Shanti Bill 2025? So the primary objective is to modernize India's nuclear legal framework and enable limited private participation under regulatory oversight. Which statutory body is granted formal recognition under the Shanti Bill 2025 to strengthen regulatory oversight? Option B, Atomic Energy Regulatory Board. Under the Shanti Bill 2025, which of the following activities remains exclusively under the central government? That is uranium enrichment, spent fuel management, and high-level waste handling. The Shanti Bill 2025 seeks to consolidate provisions from which earlier legislations? It is Atomic Energy Act 1962 and Civil Liability for Nuclear Damage Act 2010. India's nuclear power capacity by 2047 is option D 100 gigawatts. Under which phase of the National E-Governance Plan is AI integration in courts being implemented? Option C, E-Courts Phase 3. Which AI-based tool assists judges in legal research and document analysis? Option B, Legal Research Analysis Assistant. Which tool in the judiciary is designed for voice to text dictation of orders and judgments? Option B, ASR Shruti. Amulius commissioned by the Indian Coast Guard belongs to which class of vessels? So it belongs to Adamya class. ICG ship Amulya is dash number of vessel in the series of Adamya class fast patrol vessels. So it belongs to the third vessel. What is the top speed of the fast patrol vessel Amulya? Option C, 27 knots. The operational endurance of ICG ship Amulya is 1500 nautical miles. Which of the following is a key operational role of ICGS Amulya? That is surveillance, interdiction, anti-smuggling, search and rescue, and pollution response. The 28th meeting of the National Tiger Conservation Authority was held at Option C, Sundarbans Tiger Reserve. Expansion of Project Cheetah includes which locations? That is Gandhinagar Wildlife Sanctuary and Bunny Grassland. International cooperation under Project Cheetah involves which countries? So it involves South Africa, Namibia, and Botswana. PM Swanidhi scheme was originally launched in which year? Option C, 2020. The lending period of the restructured PM Swanidhi scheme has been extended till Option C, March 31st, 2030. Under the restructured PM Swanidhi scheme, the first installment loan amount is increased to So it increased to 15,000 rupees. Hygiene and food safety training for street food vendors under PM Swanidhi is conducted in partnership with Option C, Food Safety Standards Authority of India. Pesa Mahotsav is celebrated every year on which dates? So it is celebrated on 23rd to 24th December. The Panchayats Extension to Scheduled Areas Act 1966 extends provisions of which constitutional amendment to scheduled areas? Option B, 73rd Amendment. Which ministry jointly participates the Pisa Mahotsav along with the Ministry of Panchayati Raj? Option C, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. PISA Act applies to which type of scheduled areas? That is 5th scheduled areas. How many states in India currently have 5th scheduled areas? Option C, currently 10 states. Which portal was launched to enable planning and monitoring in PISA Gram Panchayats? Option B, PISA GPDP portal. GPDP refers to Gram Panchayat Development Plan. So, Indian Posts and Telecommunication Accounts and Finance Service celebrated its 51st foundation year in 2025 as Option B, Sanchar Vitta Lekha Divas. Which digital platform is primarily associated with revenue assurance and pension management in the communication sector? Option C, Sampan. That is Spectrum Accounting and Management of Payments and Network Nodal System. Which of the following platforms is used for public financial management and interdepartmental coordination? Option C, it is Public Financial Management System. The India-New Zealand Free Trade Agreement negotiations were formally launched on which date? It is 16 March 2025. Which of the following best describes the India-New Zealand Free Trade Agreement? Option C, New Generation Trade Agreement based on tariffs, productivity, investment and talent. What is the total investment commitment made by the New Zealand under the Free Trade Agreement? That is $20 billion over 15 years. Which agricultural products are specifically included for productivity cooperation through Centers of Excellence under the Free Trade Agreement? Option B, apples, kiwi fruit and honey. Which of the following items are excluded from market access under the India-New Zealand Free Trade Agreement to protect domestic farmers? Option B, dairy products and edible oils. INS Anjadip belongs to which unique category among Indian naval warships? So option C, it is the largest Indian naval warship propelled by water jets. INS Anjadip was delivered to the Indian Navy at which location? Option D, Chennai. Which core industry carries the highest weight in the index of 8 core industries? Refinery products, option D. Which of the following sectors from index for 8 core industries recorded the highest year-on growth in November 2025? Option C, cement. In November 2025, the overall growth of the index of 8 core industries was positive mainly despite negative growth in which of the following sectors? Option C, all four: crude oil, natural gas, electricity and refinery products. The WHO Ayush Technical Meeting aimed at integrating traditional medicine into which global classification system? Option C, International Classification of Health Interventions, ICHI. Which Ayush systems are being formally integrated into the ICHI framework under this initiative? Option B, Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani. Which defense systems were cited as dependent on critical minerals? So those are jet engines, missiles, radars, satellites, batteries, and semiconductors. INSV Kaundinya is best described as Option D, a stretched sailing vessel reviving ancient shipbuilding traditions. The stretched plank technology of INSV Kaundinya uses Option B, coconut coir rope and natural resins. The INSV Kaundinya project primarily aims to revive indigenous knowledge systems and maritime heritage. National Consumer Day is observed in India on which date? This is 24th December. Theme of National Consumer Day 2025 is Option C, that is efficient and speedy disposal through digital justice. Central Consumer Protection Authority was established on Option B, 24 July 2020. Toll-free number of National Consumer Helpline is Option C, 1915. From February 1st, 2026, which product must mandatorily display retail sale price regardless of size? Option A, Pan Masala. India's largest hydropower project recently commissioning a 250 megawatt unit is the Option C, Subansiri Lower Hydroelectric Project. How many beneficiary states across India will receive power from the Subansiri Lower Hydroelectric Project? Option B, 16. Which two states will receive free power allocation from the Subansiri Lower Hydroelectronic Project? Option B, Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. The book Sanatan Sanskriti Ki Atal Drishti was authored by Option C, Vasudev Devnani. Which of the following best describes the payload deployed by LVM-3M6? Option A, that is, it is the largest commercial communication satellite deployed in low Earth orbit. Consider the following statements about LVM-3 and which of the following statements are correct? Option 3, all three statements are correct. That it uses S200 solid strap-ons, L110 liquid core and C25 cryogenic upper stage, and it has a payload capability of about 4200 kg to GTO, and it has previously launched Chandrayaan 2, Chandrayaan 3 and 1 Webb satellites. Which of the following statements above Blue Bird Block 2 satellites is correct? Option C, that they enable direct cellular broadband to standard smartphones. Which statement correctly describes Samudra Pratap Yard 1267? That it is first indigenously designed and built pollution control vessel of ICG. Option B. Good Governance Day commemorates the birth anniversary of which former Prime Minister? That is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Santali language was included in the 8th schedule of the Constitution by which Amendment Act? That is 92nd Amendment Act 2003. India will assume the chairpersonship of the Kimberley process from option A, 1st January 2026. Veer Bal Divas is observed on 26th December. Option B. Rashtra Prerna Sthal has been inaugurated in option D, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Which leaders have 65 feet bronze statues at Rashtra Prerna Sthal? Option C, that is Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Deen Dayal Upadhyaya and Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The museum at Rashtra Prerna Sthal is designed in the shape of option B, lotus. Hansi has been declared as the which district of Haryana? Option C, 23rd district of Haryana. Mumbai ranked dash in world's best food cities in the year 2025 to 26. Option C, 5th rank. Which trophy is associated with Vaibhav Suryavanshi's record? Option B, Vijay Hazare Trophy. Khelo India Tribal Games 2026 will be hosted by option C, Chhattisgarh. India's largest stone labyrinth was discovered in Solapur. PM Rashtriya Bal Puraskar is awarded to children of which age group? Option B, 5 to 18 years. PM Rashtriya Bal Puraskar is given in how many categories? Option B, 6 categories. What is the maximum number of PM Rashtriya Bal Puraskar awards in a year? $25. Which chemical is prohibited under the new Agarbatti BIS standard? Option D, permethrin. What is the target year for TB Mukt Bharat? It is 2027. What is the theme of the 5th National Conference of Chief Secretaries? That is Human Capital for Viksit Bharat. Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana completed how many years in 2025? Option B, 25 years. Approximately how many kilometers of roads have been sanctioned under PMGSY? Option C, 8.25 lakh kilometers. Gujarat became a tiger state again after how many years? That is 33 years. AI lab assistant Ayla was developed by which institute? IIT Delhi. Asian Waterbird Census 2026 will be conducted at which location? It is Godavari estuary. The government approved a 7,280 crore rupees scheme to promote manufacturing of which of the following? Option C, sintered rare earth permanent magnets. Under the Rare Earth Permanent Magnet Scheme, India aims to establish domestic manufacturing capacity of Option C, 6,000 MTPA. Rare earth permanent magnets are critically important for which of the following sectors? Option D, all of the above. That is electrical vehicles and renewable energy, aerospace and defense, and electronics manufacturing. Which government mission aims to strengthen India's critical minerals value chain and supports the REPM scheme? Option B, National Critical Minerals Mission. Which PSU joint venture is responsible for overseas acquisition of strategic mineral assets for India? Option C, Kabil. The Mines and Minerals Act was significantly amended to strengthen critical mineral exploration in which year? Option C, 2023. The total financial outlay approved to boost India's shipbuilding capacity under new guidelines is how many crores? That is 44,700 crores. Air India was named Best Domestic Airline 2025 by which organization? Option C, Travel Plus Leisure. Air India has placed an order for how many new aircraft as part of its fleet modernization program? Option D, 570. Who became the first wheelchair user to travel to space on Blue Origin's New Shepard mission? Option A, Michaela Benthos. The Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar Vigyan Ratna Award in 2025 was posthumously conferred on? Option B, that is Professor Jayant Vishnu Narlikar. The Vigyan Team Award under Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar 2025 was given to? Option C, Team Aroma Mission. So friends, these were today's important current affairs MCQs. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to Current Affairs Adda for daily updates. Tomorrow I will come with more important current affairs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.